And here we have the illegally loud noise coming from the NYU co-op building at 539 LaGuardia Place. This HVAC equipment is illegally loud. It certainly raises the ambient noise level by more than 5 decibels. Also, it runs 24/7. Meanwhile, the building that this is heating or cooling or whatever it's doing is shuttered 24/7. So this equipment running 24/7 serves no purpose other than to degrade the quality of life of the people who live above this equipment. It would behoove New York University to solve this problem, especially since they purport to be combating noise in New York City, which is the #1 quality of life problem in New York City.